Everyone's chasing that secret to looking and feeling younger. What if I told you some of the most powerful tools aren't in a fancy cream or a magic pill, but right there in your grocery store's produce aisle? Today, we're diving into the top 10 foods you should be eating for anti-aging. Let's get started. First up, we have the rock star of the berry world, blueberries. These little guys are bursting with antioxidants. Picture this: your cells are under constant attack from things like pollution, sun damage, even just the natural process of aging. Antioxidants are like little warriors that neutralize these free radicals, preventing them from causing damage to your cells and your skin. That means fewer wrinkles, brighter complexion. Blueberries help your skin stay youthful for longer. Next, we're moving on to a personal favorite: avocados. Yes, they're delicious on toast, but did you know they're also incredible for your skin? Avocados are loaded with healthy fats. These are monounsaturated fats, the kind that actually help your body absorb other nutrients more effectively. On top of that, avocados are full of vitamins E and C, which help your body produce more collagen, essential for keeping your skin firm and elastic. Let's talk about nuts, specifically almonds and walnuts. These little powerhouses are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that deserves its own spotlight when it comes to anti-aging. Vitamin E helps repair skin damage caused by free radicals and helps maintain your skin's elasticity. So next time you need a snack, reach for a handful of almonds or walnuts. Your skin will thank you. Remember Popeye and his love for spinach? Turns out, he was onto something. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, overflowing with vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as antioxidants galore. This leafy green is like a multivitamin for your skin. Vitamin A helps with cell turnover, meaning your skin stays fresh and glowing. Vitamin C is a collagen booster, keeping your skin plump and firm. So, eat your spinach, and channel your inner Popeye for youthful skin. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also amazing for your skin. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body cleverly converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for skin health, promoting cell growth and repair. It helps fade away blemishes, even out skin tone, and give you that radiant glow we all crave. So, swap out those processed. Time to dive into the amazing benefits of salmon. This fatty fish is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are like the superheroes of the nutrition world. They provide a whole range of health benefits. But for our skin, they're like a tall glass of water. Omega-3s help keep your skin hydrated, supple, and moisturized from the inside out. So, add salmon to your plate a couple of times a week and enjoy the skin-loving benefits. Let's raise a glass, or rather a cup, to green tea. This ancient beverage is revered for its health benefits, and its anti-aging properties are no exception. Green tea is brimming with antioxidants, specifically a group called catechins. These powerful antioxidants protect your skin cells from damage caused by pollution, UV rays, and other environmental stressors. So, ditch the sugary drinks and make green tea your go-to beverage for a healthy glow. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, in moderation of course, can actually be beneficial for your skin. The key here is to choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, at least 70%. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that's particularly beneficial for your skin. So, the next time you need a little treat, indulge in a piece or two of dark chocolate and enjoy the sweet taste of anti-aging. Tomatoes, those juicy red wonders, are not only delicious but also packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that deserves a standing ovation when it comes to anti-aging. Lycopene helps protect your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. It also helps boost collagen production, keeping your skin firm and elastic. So, add tomatoes to your salads, sandwiches, or sauces and enjoy the skin-protecting benefits. Finally, we arrive at the pomegranate, a fruit that's as beautiful as it is beneficial for your skin. Pomegranates are bursting with antioxidants, even more than green tea and red wine. These antioxidants help regenerate skin cells, reduce inflammation, and protect against sun damage. So, sprinkle those ruby red seeds onto your yogurt, salads, or enjoy them on their own for a delicious dose of anti-aging power. So there you have it, our top 10 anti-aging foods. Remember, true youthfulness comes from within. By nourishing your body with these nutrient-rich foods, you're not just improving your skin, you're improving your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay young and healthy.